Camera one.
Action!
Hi! Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. I'm Virgo. I will be...
Teka lang, nagdumaan.
Huwag mo na sabihin yung pangalan mo, TV, kasi sa next
tatanungin mo ko kung ano pangalan ko?
Hindi. Basta mo, di ba sasabihin ko, nag-hire na naman ng ibang ano.
Oo.
Tapos sabihin ko, ay, I'm Virgo. Kaya sasabihin ko, Virgo? What kind of name is that?
Pasok ko na dun.
Ha?
Pwede pa.
Iratso ko na lang?
Oo, diretso ko na dun. Mag-go with the flow lang tayo. Basta yung thought na doon. Kahit hindi exactly yung words doon kasi masyadong malalim.
Action! Bawal dumaan!
Game. Bawal din. Wait lang. Kita ba to?
Hindi.
Game. Hi, sir. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
I'm Virgo. I will be your new janitress.
Oh my gosh! Can anyone tell the HR to stop hiring people from squatter area? And your name is Virgo? What kind of name is that? You're not a horoscope, honey. You're here to scrub the toilet. Go clean the pantry. And I want it spotless. If I see a single scrub pala. Crumb. Saan na tayo?
Ulit mo. Hindi ko alam yun.
Pangit.
Nasa na tayo. And I'm...
If I see a
If I... Okay, ready?
Okay.
I will let you lead the whole party.
1, 2, 3.
In.
If.
Game.
And if I see a single crumb on it, I will make sure to let you clean the whole parking lot. Go!
Miss Eden, you're overruled. Can you please come?
Tangina ka. Ginawa namin namin lahat. Talagang natawa to. Take two. Okay.
Sana.
Saan niya na?
Miss Eden, 1, 2, 3. Action.
Excuse me, Miss Eden. Can you please keep calm? Just be patient and be kind.
Bakit?